Here's your final question. Right now there's a protest going on right outside here calling the Miss Universe pageant disrespectful of women. Convince them that they're wrong.
I think pageants like the Miss Universe pageant gives us young women a platform to foray into the fields that we want to and forge ahead, be it entrepreneurship, be it the armed forces, be it politics. It gives us a platform to voice our choices and opinions and makes us strong, independent that we are today. Thank you.
And the new Miss Universe 2000 is India!
If you had to change one thing about your past, what would that be?
I'm trying really to find something that I wouldn't want to pass that in the past, but I've really enjoyed all my life, all the good opportunities that I've had, and all those not good that moments, but they've helped me to grow, and I've enjoyed all my life thoroughly, and I thank God for each step that He's given me. I have no regrets.
What makes you blush?
Что тебя заставляет краснеть?
Когда я говорю неправду.
When I say the wrong things.
What is the most precious gift you have given to someone?
Y la pregunta que te hace es, ¿cuál es el regalo más precioso que tú alguna vez le has dado a alguien?
Según mi abuela, fue una carta que yo le escribí cuando ella tuvo una enfermedad y toda la vida me lo ha agradecido y me llena de emoción porque siempre me lo hace sentir y siempre creo que no es lo material, sino el sentimiento que tú le pongas a las cosas.
According to my grandma, it's a letter.
What time period to be born and what sex to be? What would you choose and why?
I'd have to say that this time period, because we have as much freedom as we want, and I choose the sex of female because females have a lot of say in today's society. So I'd say this century, today.
2004, Australia!
Congratulations!
What is the biggest challenge in your life? What's the biggest challenge in your life?
The biggest challenge in my life is always trying to stay positive. I consider myself the kind of person who always looks at the glass half full instead of half empty. And even though sometimes in difficult times it's hard to look at life this way, I always try to maintain a positive outlook on life. Kapun Kat.